It's the Thursday before Christmas and we are on the way to the shops to buy our Christmas presents.
I think I deserve a Christmas present.
Now for the last few years we haven't bought each other actual physical gifts. We normally just do an experience, but this year we are buying something that's going to provide us a lot of free experiences, if that makes sense. So excited for this. It's something that we've wanted for a while now and we've saved up a little bit to buy this. So the thing that we want is actually on special for the whole of December, and we're taking that as a sign that we should get it.
You want this one? For sure.
It's loaded. Yay!
Merry Christmas to ourselves.
We did it. We got it. Now we're going to the warehouse to see if we can find any games that we can do in the holidays. Card games or board games or something.
Vintage world map puzzle, 1,000 piece.
It's going to keep us busy.
Yeah.
We bought a puzzle instead of games. We're happy with that, so we can sit in front of the TV and build our 1,000 piece world map. We're doing a bit of shopping, food shopping at Pack and Save for Christmas.
Nice.
We got a little ham and some glazing, so we're going to do that on Christmas Day. We already have a leg of lamb at home and 2 salads, and that's going to last us for like 2 or 3 days.
Sandwiches for days.
Sandwiches! I'm done with shopping, I'm going to go home now.
Me too.
But we stocked up for Christmas.
Yep.